Guys, do you know that it's possible to recover your deleted Gmail account if you feel that you have deleted it accidentally and you want to recover this? I'll completely guide you step by step in this video how you can recover your Gmail account that you have deleted permanently. So all you have to do is just write Gmail account recovery here on the Google search and just click on this Google help right here, the first link, how to recover your Google account or Gmail account. So let's go all the way down where it says recover your account. So as you can see that someone else is using your account, and if you think that you have been hacked or hijacked, so you can recover your account, and maybe that person has deleted your account. So you can recover your account from here, provided that it is in the certain time frame of inactivity. If it is left for a long time, you might not be able to recover that. So as we can see here, it's a complete note. If you deleted your Google account, you may be able to get it back. If it's been a while since you deleted your account, you may not be able to recover the data in your account. If you recover your account, you'll be able to sign in as usual to Gmail and other Google services. And on this step, you can click on this try 2 tips to complete the account recovery steps, and just go to the account recovery page right here. Just enter the same email you want to recover, click on next. And guys, it should show you this account recovery option instead of creating a new account or some other screen. So make sure that it's showing account recovery here. Just type in your email and it says here this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click next to attempt to restore this account. So that is great. Click next. Just put the password that you remember, or if not, you can try another way. Use the passkey or verify it from your phone number. We have a couple of options here. So you can recover it from this particular email. It will send you the verification code and you can try that as well. So right now I remember the password for this particular email. So I just enter the password, click next, and you have successfully undeleted your account. As you can see, you entered your current password, so you can continue to your Google account and you can still change your password if you want. So click on continue, and now we can see that all the Google services are back. Welcome tech support. If we click on Gmail, we have successfully recovered our Google account. As we can see here, we have a new congratulations email as well. Welcome back to your account. If you suspect you were logged out of the account because of the changes made by someone else, you should review and protect your account. So it's also showing you this message that if you have been hijacked or some hackers did it or some other person, you can just protect your account, take the precautionary measures. That involves 2-step verification and all the steps. So if you want to learn more about the Gmail tips and tricks, just join us on this channel, subscribe to our account, and you can check the amazing Gmail tips playlist in the description of this video. So till then, this is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.